So my backyard staircase had these gaps running all around it. Perfect little hideout for bees and wasps. They've been building nests right in there all summer. Insects everywhere by afternoon. Finally made a trip to Home Depot looking for a spray to deal with it. The store rep pointed me to this Great Stuff Pest Block styrofoam spray in a bottle. Said it does double duty, keeps the bugs and wasps out and seals up the gaps at the same time. Just had to attach the nozzle onto the can, shook it up well, and then started spraying along the gap. This narrow gap covered easily, no mess. Now the gaps along the sides were wider and deeper. So first I stacked up some egg crates to block them up, then sprayed over to seal everything in. Did the same thing under the door too. Honestly, the gaps were so wide and deep, keys and small toys would just slip right through and fall every time. I didn't expect much from the styrofoam, but this pest block thingy worked brilliantly. 2 months down the line, no wasps, no bees, not even creepy crawlies around it anymore. And the foam itself still holding up wonderfully even after a harsh season of rain. Would highly recommend it if you're worried about bugs sneaking in through the gaps like these. It dries up in about 40 minutes or so. Once it's set, you can cut it, shape it, or even paint it to match your taste.